Milk antibiotic residues rapid test. This rapid test is used for detection of beta-lactams and tetracyclines in milk. It takes about 8 minutes. The milk may be raw, pasteurized or full cream milk powder. 96 tests can be conducted using this kit. It contains 12 test tubes, each with one strip of 8 red reagent microwells and 8 dipsticks. 1 pipette and 100 pipette tips. To conduct the test you need one incubator capable of maintaining a temperature at 40 degrees Celsius. Connect the incubator and wait until the temperature has stabilized at 40 degrees Celsius. Step 1. Take required number of microwells and dipsticks from test tube. Step 2. Pipette 200 microliters milk sample into the reagent microwell and mix well by pipetting up and down 5 to 10 times. Step 3. Incubate 3 minutes at 40 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Insert the dipstick into the microwell after first incubation. Incubate another 5 minutes at 40 degrees Celsius. Step 5. Take out the dipstick from the microwell and remove the sample pad at the lower end and interpret the result. Compare the color intensity of test line or T line and control line or C line and interpret the test based on chart. If there is no visible C line, the test is invalid. If T is more than C, the test is negative, the sample contains no antibiotics. If T is equal to C, it is weak positive, the sample contains antibiotics close to the detection limits. If T is less than C or no T, it is positive, the milk sample contains antibiotics. Protect your milk safety easily. Eastern Scientific Corporation Private Limited. Science for a better tomorrow.